Dear students, good morning to all. My name is S. Mani. I am a social science teacher. Today there is a severity of coronavirus, COVID-19 disease. Due to this virus, thousands of people are affected throughout the world. Hundreds of people died. You should be aware of this virus because it is a dreadful virus. Health makes wealth. Sound mind in sound body. Hard work never fails. Whereas now, instead of hard work, smart work never fails. Our school management has been taking online classes for the students. Please, everybody has to use this good opportunity to utilize more and update your skill and knowledge. Thank you very much. Today, I am going to teach about history second lesson, the world between two world wars. In this lesson, I come to introduce something. Introduction, emergence of Mussolini, Germany in post-war, Nazi policy towards Jews, stock market crash in America, breakdown of the international system of exchanging, decolonization process, dollar imperialism, gold standard, French Indochina, emergence of Viet Minh, Ho Chi Minh, India in the days of Great Depression, great impact of Great Depression on Indian agriculture, Indian Government Act of 1935, Boer Wars, Boers, colonization of Africa, nationalist politics in South Africa, apartheid policy, Monroe Doctrine, US imperial interest, emergence of middle class and working class, Latin America. All these headings we have to discuss very properly in this lesson. We will go through the lesson. Introduction. The First World War was started in 1914. It was ended in 1918. Second World War was started in 1939. It was ended in 1945. Both the First World War and Second World War caused more damage and destruction to lives and property. Comparing First World War and Second World War than First World War, Second World War, which caused more damage and destruction to lives and property. First World War, which shattered the European countries' colonial system, imperial system, and capitalist system. It weakened European powers politically and economically. It created horse peace in the world. It created conflict in between ruling party and working classes. Due to result of the First World War, anti-colonial struggle movement got intensified in Asia. Emergence of colonial rule in Africa. When First World War was started, 1914. End of the First World War, 1918. Outbreak of the Second World War, 1939. End of the Second World War, 1945. Emergency of Mussolini. The term fascism is derived from Latin word fasces. Fasces mean bundle or group. The term fascism rests on four pillars: charismatic leadership, single party rule under dictator terror and economic control. Slogan of fascism: believe, obey, fight, more force, more honor. Aim of the fascism: exaltation of state, protection of private property, spirited foreign policy. Motto of fascism: everything within the state, nothing against the state, nothing outside the state. Benito Mussolini, he was born in 1883. He was born in Romagna, East Central Italy. His father was blacksmith. His mother was elementary school teacher. He graduated in 1902. Once he was a good speaker. Later he became a journalist. During the First World War, he worked as a soldier in the Italian army. After First World War, he formed a national fascist party in 1921. His followers wore black shirts as their uniform, hence they were called black shirts. Mussolini was called by his followers as Jews. His secret police were called Ovra. October 30, 1922, Mussolini marched on Rome. He defeated King of Italy. He captured throne of Italy. He ruled Italy from 1920 to 1945. 1924, election was held. In this election, 65% of the people cast him a vote. 65% of the people elected him as a dictator of Italy. 1926, he became a dictator of Italy. 1929, he signed a Lateran Treaty. He signed a Lateran Treaty with the Pope. As per the principle of Lateran Treaty, he recognized Pope as a king of Vatican City. In turn, Pope also recognized Mussolini as a king of Rome. After signing Lateran Treaty, as he was the dictator of Italy, he banned all the political parties, including opposite party also. Leader of the opposite parties were arrested and imprisoned and assassinated. He banned political parties. He stopped a Bandh strike and lockouts. He eliminated parliamentary system also. He stopped a workers' labor union also. He established a number of industries all over Italy. He constructed good means of transport and communication. He developed hydroelectric power plants. He improved mining activities and marine activities. He gave more steps for development of agriculture. He developed a hydroelectric power plant, irrigational facilities, canal irrigation. He prevented poverty, illiteracy and unemployment crisis in Italy. He granted employment opportunities to all people. He made Italy as a prosperous country. End of the Second World War, allies came to arrest him. At that time, he tried to escape. When he tried to escape, he was caught and assassinated by Italian mob in 1945. After death of the Mussolini, fascism died out in Italy. What is the meaning of PASES? Bundle or group. What is the slogan of fascism? Believe, obey, fight, more force, more honor. What is the aim of fascism? Spirited foreign policy, exaltation of private property, exploitation of private property, spirited foreign policy, protection of state. What are the motto of fascism? Everything within the state, nothing against the state, nothing outside the state. When he was born, 1883, where he was born, Romagno in East Central Italy. What was his father? His father was blacksmith. What was his mother? Elementary school teacher. When he was graduated, 1902, name the party was formed by him, National Fascist Party. When did he form National Fascist Party? 1921. How his followers were called as black shirts. How Mussolini was called by his followers? Jews. What was his secret police overall? When did he march on Rome? October 30, 1922. How long he ruled Italy? 1920 to 1945. When was election conducted in Italy? 1924. How many percent of the people cast him and elected him as a dictator of Italy? 65%. Name the treaty was signed by Mussolini, Lateran Treaty. When he was assassinated by Italian mob in Italy, 1945. Then Germany in the post-war. Adolf Hitler, he was born in 1889. He was born in Austria. His father was custom officer. During his early age, he went to Vienna for job. In the beginning, he was working as a painter. Later, he became a good orator. He became a journalist also. During the First World War, he worked as a soldier in the German army. After the end of the First World War, he formed a Nazi party in 1919. His followers wore brown shirts as their uniform, hence they were called brown shirts. Adolf Hitler was called as Führer. His secret police were called Gestapo. His Nazi party emblem called swastika. In 1923, Adolf Hitler made an attempt to capture power, but he failed to capture the power. He was arrested and imprisoned in the prison for 5 years. When he was in prison, he wrote a book called Mein Kampf. It means My Struggle. This book became a Bible of Nazism. In 1932 election, his party became the second largest party. In 1933 election, his party became a first largest party. In 1933, Adolf Hitler became a Chancellor of Germany. Hindenburg became a President of Germany. Whereas in August 1934, Hindenburg died. After death of the Hindenburg, Adolf Hitler declared himself as both Chancellor and President of Germany. He declared one people, one state, one leader. After he became a dictator of Italy, dictator of Germany, Adolf Hitler, as like Mussolini in Italy, he also strengthened industries. He developed agriculture, mines and marine activities in Germany. He constructed a number of schools and developed educational activities also. He prevented poverty, illiteracy, unemployment crisis in Germany. He granted employment to all the peoples. He made Germany as a prosperous country in the world. End of the Second World War, Allies occupied Germany. When Allies came to arrest him, Adolf Hitler did not like to surrender to Allies. Adolf Hitler went inside his bunker and committed suicide in August 1945. After his death, Nazism died in Germany. Nazism died in Germany. When was Adolf Hitler born? 1889. Where he was born? Austria. What was his father? Custom officer. Where did he go for search of employment? Vienna. What was he doing in the early days as a painter? Name the party was formed by Adolf Hitler, Nazi party. When did he form Nazi party? 1919. How his followers were called as brown shirts. How Adolf Hitler was called as Führer. What was the secret police of Adolf Hitler? Gestapo. What is the party emblem? Swastika. When did he make attempt to capture power of Germany? 1923. How long he was imprisoned in the prison? 5 years. Name the book was written by him, Mein Kampf. What is the meaning of Mein Kampf? My struggle. When his party became a second largest party? 1932. When did his party become first largest party in Germany? 1933. When did he become a Chancellor of Germany? 1933. When did he declare himself as a dictator and a President and Chancellor of Germany? After death of the Hindenburg, 1934. What did he declare? One people, one state, one leader. When did he commit suicide? August 1945. Nazi policy towards Jews. In Germany, there were two races, Nordic race and Jews. Nordic race were superior. Jews were inferior race. Adolf Hitler, he belonged to Nordic race. As he belonged to Nordic race, he supported Nordic race. He respected Jews. He persecuted Jews. Jews were prohibited all the rights. Jews were not given any political rights, social rights, even education also. Education, universal adult Francis, dignity and status were denied for Jewish people. Adolf Hitler constructed a number of concentration camps. Inside the camp, number of Jews, women, children, men were arrested inside. Then later Adolf Hitler made them as a forced labor. In addition to Adolf Hitler, he constructed number of extermination camps. In this camp, 6 million Jews were killed. How many races were prevailed in Germany? Two races. What are the two races? Nordic and Jews. Which is superior race? Nordic. Which is inferior race? Jews. How many Jews were killed in the extermination camp? 6 million Jews. Stock market crash in USA. Stock market was a share market. It was a very famous business in America. After implementation of this business, all types of the people became shareholders. All the shareholders gained more income. They became very rich. America also was well developed economically. America lend the loan to Britain banks and German banks. Whereas unfortunately, stock market was crashed in USA October 24, 1929. After this incident, American banks were bankrupted. American banks were not able to lend any loan to Britain banks and Germany banks. British banks and Germany banks were also declined. Shareholders of America became very poor. American economy was very, very backward due to impact of stock market. When stock market was crashed in America, October 24, 1929, name the banks were bankrupted. American banks, German banks, British banks. Breakdown of the international system of exchange. Breakdown of the international system of exchange. Due to breakdown of the international system of exchange, British were not able to improve its activities. That's why British decided to leave from gold standard. British was followed by a number of countries. All the countries also decided to leave from gold standard. Including Britain, all the countries adopted policy of protectionism, policy of devaluation of currency, policy of defensive measures in order to protect their activities, in order to protect their economic activities and social activities. Name the countries. Name the country which decided to leave from gold standard. Britain. Name the policy were adopted by a number of countries in order to protect their economic activities. Policy of protectionism, devaluation of currency, defensive measures. Gold standard. Gold standard is a monetary policy. This policy was adopted by USA. Through this policy, all the countries' currency value, paper money value, currency value, bring into directly linked into gold. The countries who are the member of the gold standard agreed to convert the paper money value and currency value into fixed amount of gold. Who adopted gold standard? USA. What is the meaning of gold standard? Monetary policy, financial policy. Decolonization. Decolonization is a process. In this process, elimination of colonial rule in the backward countries, withdrawal of colonial rule, abolition of colonial rule, ending of colonial rule in the backward countries. Backward countries, for example, Asian and African countries. Till end of the Second World War, Asian and African countries were ruled by European countries. End of the war, colonial rule came to an end. Decolonization process was started. Through this process, elimination of colonial rule in backward countries. Dollar imperialism. Dollar imperialism is a term. This term was adopted by USA. Through this term, USA wanted to control and maintain and dominated over many distant countries through economical aid. Through economical support, through economical aid, USA wanted to control and maintain and dominated over distant lands through the system of dollar imperialism. French Indochina. Indochina was ruled by France in 1887. Indo-Chinese resisted French culture and languages. 10 lakh Indo-Chinese fought against France in the war. After this war, Indo-Chinese learned revolutionary ideas from France. Indo-Chinese came to know about how France fought in the war, how France was defeated in the war. Indo-Chinese wealth was completely utilized only by colonial rule. Anti-colonial revolt was led in Indochina in 1916, but unfortunately this revolt was brutally suppressed by France. When was Indochina ruled by France? 1887. How many Indo-Chinese fought against France in the war? 10 lakhs Indo-Chinese. What did Indo-Chinese learn from British, learn from France? Revolutionary ideas. When was anti-colonial revolt organized in Indochina? 1916. Emergency of Viet Minh. Vietnamese nationalist parties were formed in 1927. This party was composed of wealthy people and middle class people. Vietnamese soldiers also opened the revolt in 1929, but they failed to assassinate the French Governor General. 1930, peasants' revolt was led by communists. Unfortunately, this revolt was brutally suppressed by France. As a result of this revolt was mercilessly suppressed. Thousands of rebels were killed. That's why it was called White Terror. In 1940, France was defeated by Germany. In 1940, France was defeated by Germany. At that time, Ho Chi Minh came back to Indochina and formed a league and announced independence for Vietnam or Vietnamese. When was Vietnamese party formed in Indochina? 1927. When did Vietnamese soldiers open the revolt? 1929. Who are the member of Vietnamese Nationalist Party? Wealthy people and middle class people. What is called White Terror? Peasants' revolt was led by communists in 1930. This revolt was suppressed by France brutally. Thousands of rebels were killed. Hence it is called White Terror. When was France defeated by Germany in the war? 1940. Who came back to Indochina to open the league and announced independence for Vietnam or Vietnamese? Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh, he was born in Tonkin. When he was 21 age, his age was 21, he went to Europe. He was cooking in the London hotel. Then in 1921, he founded a communist party, Indo-Chinese Communist Party. Ho Chi Minh founded a Indochina Communist Party in 1921. After 2 years, he went to Moscow and learned revolutionary ideas from Moscow. 1925, once again he formed a revolutionary youth movement. 1930, peasants' revolt was brutally suppressed by France. After this incident, Ho Chi Minh came back to Moscow and he was impressed by Mao Zedong. Again, he returned back to Indochina and fought against USA. Where was Ho Chi Minh born? Tonkin. When did he form Indochina Communist Party? 1921. When did he form Emergency Revolutionary Youth Movement? 1925. 1925. India in the days of Great Depression. Great economic depression which was happened in USA October 24, 1929. Due to impact of depression, British lost its trade and business. British wanted to transfer the impact of Great Depression to its colonies. British signed a bilateral treaty, unilateral treaty, bilateral treaty, multilateral treaty. Unilateral treaty is signed only within one country. Bilateral treaty is signed with two countries. Multilateral treaty is signed with more than two countries. British signed a bilateral treaty with India in Economic Summit, Ottawa in 1932. As per the norms of this treaty, British gave more preference for imperial goods than non-imperial goods. British exported gold from India to Britain. Indian currency value was increased. In this circumstance, political agitation fought against the British. When was Great Economic Depression happened? October 24, 1929. October 24, 1929. Name the treaty was signed by British with India. Bilateral treaty. When did British sign this treaty? 1932. Where did British sign this treaty? Ottawa. Whom did British sign this treaty? India. As per the norms of this treaty, British agreed to give a first preference for imperial goods than non-imperial goods. British exported gold from India to Britain. That's why India was totally affected. Impact of depression on the Indian agriculture. Impact of depression, because of impact of depression, Indian agricultures were affected. Indian industries also were affected. Value of farm products was declined. Land rent to be paid by peasants was unchanged. There was no any gain of life for Indian manufacturers and farmers. There was no any product. Indian manufacturers and farmers suffered a lot in this circumstance. Both Indian farmers and manufacturers sold their gold and silver to meet their subsistence. Civil disobedience movement also was organized by Gandhiji in 1930. This movement which fought against misbehavior activities of the British. Who sold their gold and silver to meet their subsistence? Indian manufacturers. When was civil disobedience movement was formed? 1930. Who was the founder of the civil disobedience movement? Mahatma Gandhiji. Government of India Act of 1935. Government of India Act of 1935 was passed by British government. This act which gave more great powers to local governments. 1937 in India, there was an election. In this election, Congress participated. Congress secured majority seats. Congress came to form the ministry. After outbreak of the Second World War, British decided to involve the Indians in the war. British did not discuss with the Congress ministries. Without a suggestion of Congress, without any discussion with the Congress, British themselves, they decided to involve the Indians in the war. That's why Congress were totally disappointed. Congress resigned from the ministry. When was Government of India Act passed? 1935. Who passed this act? British Parliament. When was election held in India? 1937. Name the party which is secured highest majority to form the ministry. Congress party. Why did Congress resign from the ministry? After outbreak of the Second World War, British decided themselves to involve the Indians in the war. As British did not get any permission from Congress, as British did not discuss with Congress regarding this matter, that's why Congress were totally disappointed. Congress resigned from this post. Colonization of Africa. African coastline were explored by Europeans in 16th century. Interior of the Africa was unknown to the world. Interior of the Africa was not developed. Interior of the Africa was unknown to the world. Colonization was launched in Africa 1875. Berlin Colonial Conference, which was held in 1884 to 85. This conference, which agreed that whole Africa was divided into various influence of various sphere of influence to all the European countries. According to norms of this conference, South Africa was divided into many zones. South Africa was divided by all the European countries. South African territories, South African region, South African resources were completely divided into various sphere of influence to all the European powers. When was colonization formed in South Africa? 1875. When was African coastline explored by Europeans? 16th century. Which part of the Africa was unknown to the world? Interior part of the Africa. When was Berlin Colonial Conference held in Africa? 1884 to 85. What was the aim of the Berlin Colonial Conference of Africa? Whole South Africa was divided into various sphere of influence to all the European powers. Boer Wars. In South Africa, Natal and Cape Colony, these two were British states. Transvaal and Orange Free States were Boer states. In between two states, Natal and Cape Colony were British states. Transvaal and Orange Free States were Boer states. In between two states, there was no communication, there was no proper relationship. In this moment, there was a discovery of gold in 1886. After discovery of gold in 1886 in Transvaal, number of British miners came to settle in Transvaal. Number of British miners came to settle in Johannesburg. There was a misunderstanding in between Boers and British. Boers disliked British. Boers did not give equal rights and status to British. Boers imposed heavy duties on British. Boers treated British as foreigners. British were denied political rights, social rights, equal status and dignity. Totally, British were disappointed. In this circumstance, British declared war on Boers. Boer War was started in 1889 to 1902. Boer War was lasted for 3 years. In the beginning, Boer army was successful, whereas half of the 1900 Boer army was defeated. As Boer army was defeated in half of the 1900, Boers decided to adopt the guerrilla war fighting and fought against British. British also took revenge on Boers. British destroyed farms and crops. British set up number of concentration camps and arrested many boys, children, women and men arrested inside the concentration camps. Finally, 26,000 boys were killed in this camp. Later, British annexed two Boer states. Name the British states in South Africa. Transvaal and Cape Colony. Natal and Cape Colony. Two British states, name the two British states, Natal and Cape Colony. Name the Boer states, Transvaal and Orange Free State. When was discovery of gold organized in Transvaal? 1886. Who came to settle in and around Johannesburg? Number of British miners. When was Boer War started? 1888 to 1902. How long Boer was lasted? For 3 years. When Boer army was defeated? In the beginning, Boer army was successful. Half of the 1,900 Boer army was defeated. How many Boers were killed in the concentration camp? 26,000 Boers. Who annexed Boer states? British. Boers. Who are called Boers? Descendants of original Dutch settlers in South Africa called Boers. Descendants of original Dutch settlers in South Africa called Boers or Afrikaners. Their language were called Afrikaans. Nationalist politics in South Africa. British party in South Africa were called a Unionist party. Boers parties were called South African party. Botha, he was the first Prime Minister of South African party. Later, South African party was divided into two. South African party and the National Party. National Party was under the leadership of Hertzog. South African Party was under the leadership of Smuts. Election was held in 1920. In this election, both South African Party and the National Party contested the election. National Party secured 46 seats. South African Party secured 41 seats. South African Party lost its majority. In this circumstance, British Party, Unionist Party, came to give support to South African Party and increase its majority and dominated over National Party. Name the British Party in South Africa, Unionist Party. Name the Boers Party in South Africa, South African Party. Who was the leader of National Party? Hertzog. Who was the leader of the South African Party? Smuts. Who was the first Prime Minister of South African Party? Botha. When was election held in South Africa? 1920. How many seats did National Party secure? 46 seats. How many seats did South African Party secure? 41 seats. Name the party which gave support to South African Party to dominate over National Party, British Party, Unionist Party. Apartheid in South Africa. Apartheid is a racial segregation. It is a racial discrimination policy. It was adopted by British in South Africa. According to this policy, South Africa was divided into two different zones, two different regions. One region is for whites, another region for blacks. Marriage in between whites and blacks were forbidden. South African peoples were black people. They are majority people, original inhabitants. Even they are the real citizens of South Africa, but they were denied all the rights. South African peoples were prohibited social rights, political rights, education, Universal Adult Francis also. South African peoples were segregated, discriminated, separated, singled out from the society. In this movement, ANC was formed. Abbreviation of ANC, African National Congress. ANC abbreviation, Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, INC. African National Congress, ANC. ANC was formed in 1912. It was founded by Dr. Nelson Mandela. He was the founder of this party. He fought against the British. He demanded independence for South Africans. As he fought against the British, he was arrested and imprisoned in the prison for 27 years. ANC also was stopped. ANC was also banned. After 27 years imprisonment, Nelson Mandela was released from prison. Ban on ANC also was lifted. Election was held in South Africa. In this election, Universal Adult Francis was granted for South Africans. ANC secured highest seats in the election. Nelson Mandela, he was the first black president of South Africa. After he became a president of South Africa, apartheid was dismantled. Whereas in South Africa, Verwoerd, he was the Prime Minister of South Africa. His duration 1958 to 1966. He was the brain behind of the apartheid policy. After Nelson Mandela became a president of South Africa, he abolished the apartheid policy in South Africa. What is the abbreviation of ANC? African National Congress. When it was launched in 1912, was the founder of the ANC, Dr. Nelson Mandela. How long he was imprisoned? 27 years. Who became the first black president of South Africa? Nelson Mandela. When was apartheid policy was abolished in South Africa? After Dr. Nelson Mandela became a president of South Africa. Was the brain behind of the apartheid policy? Verwoerd. What was the duration of Verwoerd? 1958 to 1966. Mayas and Aztecs. These two were advanced civilizations which were prevailed in South America. In 11th century, League of Mayapan was formed. It was the center of the civilization for Native Americans and American Indians. It ruled South America in 11th century for 100 years. After 100 years, Mayas was declined. After declination of the Mayas, Aztecs came to power. Aztecs came to capture the Mayas territories in 12th century. Aztecs ruled it for 200 years. When Aztecs came to power and ruled it for 200 years, it formed a separate capital. It was called Tenochtitlan. Tenochtitlan, it was the capital of Aztecs. Monroe Doctrine. After death of the Napoleon in 1815, all the European kings wanted to give support to King of Spain to suppress revolutionary activities in the South American colonies. In this moment, American President Monroe, he announced Monroe Doctrine. As per the norms of this doctrine, if any European would interfere in the personal affairs of either South America or North America, they would impose the war indemnity on the country. By 1830, South America was protected from European domination. America protected South America from Europe. When Napoleon died, 1815, who supported King of Spain to crush the revolutionary activities in South American colonies? All the European kings. Who declared Monroe Doctrine? American President Monroe. When was South America protected free from European domination? 1830. US imperial interest. US occupied Cuba. US military control over Cuba. USA maintained entire naval station in Cuba. USA wanted to maintain internal activities, internal affairs of Cuba. American President Theodore Roosevelt, he wanted to bring some amendments in the Monroe Doctrine in 1904. After amendments of the Monroe Doctrine in 1904, USA would interfere in South America in order to maintain law and order in South America. Who occupied Cuba? USA. Who made amendments in Monroe Doctrine? Theodore Roosevelt. When did he bring amendments in Monroe Doctrine? 1904. What is the norms of amendments of Monroe Doctrine? USA was given more authority to interfere directly into South America in order to control the law and order. Emergency of middle class and working classes. Monarchy was abolished in 1889 in Brazil. There was a economical growth, industrial growth. It was well developed country. Not only Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Mexico, Brazil, all these countries were economically well developed country. There was a industrial growth, economical growth, urbanization, good means of transport communication, availability of employment opportunity. For all these factors, which attracted number of people from South Europe, all these circumstances which led the way for formation of emergency of middle class and working classes. When was monarchy abolished in Brazil? 1889. Name the countries which received a number of the people from South America, South Europe, Brazil. Latin America, which protested American interference, American gold standard, America's dollar imperialism, America's political interference. Due to oppose of Latin America towards America, there was a change in the American policy in 1933. American President Franklin Roosevelt, in his good neighborhood policy, he said that America would not interfere anything towards South America, but same time America wanted to give economical support and technical assistance to Latin America. Who resisted American interference? Latin America. What was the policy of Franklin D. Roosevelt? Good neighboring policy. What was the important concept of the good neighboring policy? America would not interfere anything towards internal affairs of the South America. At the same time, America wanted to provide economical support and technical assistance to Latin America. Adolf Hitler, he ruled Germany. Adolf Hitler, he was a dictator of Germany. He became a dictator of Germany. He ruled Germany. Benito Mussolini, he ruled Italy. Adolf Hitler ruled Germany. Benito Mussolini ruled Italy. Dr. Nelson Mandela ruled South Africa. Ho Chi Minh ruled Indochina. Indochina consists of three: Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam. Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam were called Indochina. Indochina was ruled by Ho Chi Minh. During the First World War, the World War was led by two blacks, Central Powers and Allies. Central Powers were called German Alliance. Allies were called Britain Alliance. German Alliance were called Germany, Austria, Hungary, Italy, Turkey, Italy, Germany, Austria, and Hungary. These are German Alliance. They fought against British. Allies were called Britain Alliance. Britain Alliance included Britain, France, Russia, and America. They are the very important countries on side of the Britain. During the Second World War, was led by two powers, Axis and Allies. Axis were called German Alliance. German Alliance included Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, and Italy. Britain Alliance included Britain, Russia, France, and USA. First World War was led by only European countries. Second World War was led by only European countries. During the First World War, during the Second World War, India did not interfere. India maintained only neutral country as it follows policy of Panchashil, as it follows foreign policy. In world, there are 7 continents: Asia continent, Africa continent, Europe continent, Australia continent, North America continent, South America continent, Antarctic continent. There are 7 continents among the continents. Asia continent is the largest continent. Africa is the darkest continent. Antarctica is a white continent. Australia is a small continent. It is only one country. It is island. It is the largest island in the world. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. Atlantic Ocean, second deepest ocean. Indian Ocean, third. Arctic Ocean, fourth. Southern Ocean, fifth. There are 5 oceans, 7 continents. As per the public pattern, history compulsory map. Map include 3 maps: world map, India map, and Tamil Nadu map. There is no choice. Compulsory question, 5 more questions. So all should go through and prepare yourself. If you have lack of attention towards here, definitely you are going to lose the mark. So please give special attention towards the map and use atlas and use your textbook and prepare well and correct the mistakes and practice many times. Then only it is very easy to learn. So map, 5 more question. Please don't miss it. Give more importance for preparation of the map. Thank you very much.